Well, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina and I run a blog and YouTube called Style with Nina. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you and you have amazing taste. Here we talk about luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. If any of those things interest you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button over here, I believe, depending on here. And also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of my videos. So let's go ahead and get started. On today's video, I am doing another fragrance haul or fragrance video. It's kind of a mini haul because it's 2 items. So I'm just go ahead and jump in. So I picked this up. Let me show you guys what it is. It is the Creed. So I got 2 Creed items. The first one, oh, it's upside down. So what this is one of my favorite. I said favorite, which is favorite in fragrance combined. But this is one of my favorite fragrances. I had several samples. So my essays, they take care of me because you know your girl be shopping. You know, a lot of the people at Saks know that I have a YouTube channel, so you know they'll just throw some in. My girl who used to work at Saks don't work there no more, or whatever. But anyway, I have a few people who take care of me. So I had a few of these samples, and I'm the type, before I go ahead and purchase something, I want to make sure that it agrees with my chemistry. And I think that's another reason why, you know, people are not stingy with me when it comes to fragrances. You want to say, so if you're going, I'm kind of rambling, but I'm trying to give y'all tips as well before I get into the smell of this and why I love it. So if you're out and about and you're, you know, in one of the bougie places and you're trying to get samples, you don't want to go in and just be like, can I get a sample of what it is? You don't want to go there. You want to say, you know, I would love to receive a sample. Leave the out. I'm trying to work on my but I say a lot. Anyway, you want to go in and you say, you know, I would love to, I'm really interested in whatever said fragrance is. Is it spring flower? So I'm really interested in spring flower. However, I just want to make sure that the fragrance agrees with my body chemistry. Do you mind if I get a sample in your card before purchasing this? And a lot of times if you say something like that, they'll give you a sample because they know that you kind of sound like you know about fragrances. So if you're having a hard time getting fragrances from the bougie people who, you know, act like they own the place they work at for hourly pay. But anyway, you know, say that, you know, not exactly, but you know, you want it to agree with your body chemistry. You know, I don't want to buy something and then end up returning it because it didn't agree with my body chemistry. So instead of doing that, go ahead and give me a sample of it. Let me see how it wears, and then your card. And you know, some of them will hit you with this. So if they hit you with this, here go another script, y'all. Well, you know, go ahead and spray it in the store and walk around. You know what? So that's what the sales associate will say to you. Go ahead and spray it in the store and, you know, come back. You know, I would love to do that. This is you talking to them. I would love to do that. However, I already have on a scent and I don't want that scent to, you know, compromise. I want to make sure that I like this fragrance. So I don't want the scents to blend. So can you go ahead and just give me a sample? Because I'm really interested in the fragrance. But again, I don't want to mess with your commission and, you know, buy the fragrance and then when I get home, return it. So there you go. Anyway, let's get back to said spring flower. Your girl been around for a minute, you know, she be knowing or whatever. So I don't know the notes of spring flower. I just love this scent. It is, I don't want to swell, I'll spray a little bit. One thing I like about Creed, why is it not spraying? Oh, there we go. You see that spray? You see that mist right there? Oof. I love this scent. And I actually will wear this all year round. I am the type, I like light and airy scents. So because of just the types of fragrances that I like, I tend to be able to wear them all year round. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my God, that smells. Did y'all see how that sprayed? I ain't gonna spray it again because you know this bottle, this was not cheap. Okay, so it wasn't that bad. Well, what size is this? This got to be, this is the bigger size. Oh, it is that bad. So anyway, this retails for $380. This is actually more expensive than my Baccarat Rouge 540. Go figure. But I love it, I ain't gonna lie. I love it. I will, of course, link some in the description box. I will say you want to be careful where you purchase your high-end fragrances from. I would steer clear, like run from buying any fragrances, especially luxury fragrances, from eBay. I'ma just say, the eBay fragrances, there's a lot of Russian, I think they're called Russian Federate or something like that. They're all fake, period. If you know about fragrances and you've had samples of the items, you will know that now they're gonna look the same. So you know, you gotta know. You gotta know. Just like I sprayed it and I showed you how it mist and stuff like that. Those are things that you learn about fragrances when you go to the counter and you know inspect the bottle and stuff like that. Then you know when one comes in and it's fake. So I will steer clear of, like I said, eBay. I'll just leave links in the description box to the fragrances. But again, your discount stores and sites like that, I would just my opinion, I would steer clear. And this is just a body lotion. This is another scent that I enjoy. It is, and I didn't even open, Aqua Florentina. Anything that says Aqua on it, I'm your girl. So if you're watching this and you want to, you know, you're a company, you want to send me some luxury fragrances, anything that says Aqua on it, I'm probably gonna like. That's just my scent. So this was a body lotion. If you're interested, I'll leave it in the description box. But yeah, the links that I leave in my description box will be from actual companies that I know it is the authentic thing. So there's that. So I'm gonna stop rambling, but yeah, these are my two. It's from a thumbnail. Those are my two unboxings from Creed. I love Creed. I will leave some links to my other fragrance videos if you're interested in that. I have a long fragrance haul that shows you all of my fragrances up until this point, or up, you know, 2020. Yeah. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the description box. I don't know if I mentioned this in this video, but before I log off, I am going to mention this is a tip to keep your fragrances lasting longer. If you want them to last longer or not expire quickly or overheat, I would suggest getting a marble tray. I will of course leave some in the description box, but if you are out and about and you're at your, if you're at your Home Goods, if COVID is not bothering you and you're just out shopping, anyway, if you're at your Home Goods or your Bed Bath & Beyond, stores like that, and you see a marble tray, you know, think about, you know what, I could put my fragrances on there. And the reason why you want to use a marble tray is because marble, the natural stone, is a cooling stone. So that's why it's also referred to as a cheese tray, because it has a natural cooling effect for items placed on there. So of course, if you are storing your fragrances in your closet, you don't want to store them near a window. That is a no-no. The sun will kill your fragrances. And if you like me and you spending $400 on a fragrance and, you know, Baccarat Rouge and, you know, all the you learn stuff like this because you don't want the fragrance. Number one, I'm a fragrance collector, so I don't want them to go bad. So I have learned and researched things to do to make sure that they stay in the most pristine state that they can stay in. So you want to make sure you store your fragrances in a cool and dry, non-humid place. So whatever that is. A lot of my air conditioner just cut on. I don't know if you can hear that. But a lot of the newer homes, you know, your closet is inside of your bathroom. So you want to make sure that, number one, when you're taking showers, that you're closing the bathroom door so that you don't ruin your clothing and or high-end fragrances like myself, who, if you know this channel, you know I'm a luxury girl. So listen, close the door before you take a shower. And then also, you know, make sure that you keep your light off in your closet. And then you want to also make sure that you are putting your fragrances, your colognes, you know, if you have a man who's into fragrances, get him one, get him a black one, you know what I'm saying, make it look, you know, a little more masculine, and put his fragrances on the stone. And I will of course link to anything that I find. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Hope you enjoyed this video. Again, stay stylish, stay fabulous, and until next time, mwah.